Are you looking forward to it?
I'm looking forward to it.
Wow. What was going on here?
Nothing. This looks perfectly normal. It's fine.
We're here up on Argentine Pass in the electric Land Cruiser, and we're doing some off-roading today with the Land Cruiser Club. We're doing a trail cleanup, pick up some trash around some campsites, fix some rail fences, and do trail maintenance, things like that. We got the dogs in the back. Jasmin's riding co-pilot, and Josh is ahead of us, and Paul ahead of him in our 80s. We're up at about, I think we're around 11,000 feet right now. We camped last night, and just looking forward to a good day out on the trail. All right, here we are. We're up at the Waldorf mine, up over 11,000 feet. We have the EV80, and we're going to do some service projects with the National Forest Service Rangers who are up here to open the trail for the first time for the year. You can see the amazing view. It's just gorgeous up here in June in the Rocky Mountains. Okay, we're in the EV Land Cruiser, and Jasmin is going to be driving us back down.
Just let it regen my way down.
Yeah, you don't even need to use the brake, really.
Just the gas. Not the gas, the electrons.
The electron particle beam.
What a lovely day.
Okay, so we were at the top of the hill at 60%, and we're already at 62%. So it'll be interesting to see what we get back down to Georgetown, what percentage. Freya likes it.
Yeah, Freya's it.
You like the truck? Alright, looks like we made it back to the camp.
And give it some electrons. It's regenerating too much.
I'm back down around here. No brakes needed. You're just kind of...
Oh, sorry, buds.
You're just hovering over them, but you're not actually...
Yeah, I'm not actually using it. That's all regen.
I know, it's awesome. It's
crazy.
so cool. Alright, let's hit the mud puddle. Use your momentum. And here we are back at camp. Good job. Okay, I'm back in the Lexus. Jasmin's solo in the electric Land Cruiser, and I'm following her out. We're taking the low road, which should have some good water crossings. looking forward to it?
I'm looking forward to it.
Wow. Awesome. Oh, she went fast. Keep it in the middle. You go a little bit faster than they did, just a little bit. There it goes. All right, you ready, Zorro? All right, so we made it back home after the weekend camping and off-roading, and we should get some of Jasmine's opinions on the electric Land Cruiser. So you drove the electric Land Cruiser and then you drove the gas Land Cruiser. Which one did you have more fun in?
Well, I think this one, the EV.
Why?
Because it was quieter, and you could you didn't have the smell of gas. I was behind some other people and I could smell, I just smell everything instead of nature. It was pretty easy. It was not very bouncy. I don't know.
What about, like, we were basically going up on one day and then down on the other day. Was there any difference? Because in the gas one you have to use the shifter and you have to choose which gear.
Yeah.
Whereas in this one you don't. So is that easier?
It's a lot easier going down in this one because you just kind of let your foot off of the go pedal, not the gas pedal, but the go pedal, and it just regens down. You hardly have to use your brakes. You kind of actually even have to use the go pedal a little bit to keep going because it just regens so much. So that's cool. And we started the day at the top at like 62%, and then we ended at the end of the trail like at 63%. So it was pretty cool. And then by the time we got back down to town, it was like 69%. So that's cool. Yeah,
that's really cool. As long as you can make it to the top of the hill, you can probably make it back
to
where you started.
Yeah.
Sweet. Well, Is there any other observations you had on the comparisons, or is that about it?
I think that's about it. I mean, it was a pretty nice day in the mountains, so I didn't need any air conditioning or any heating or anything, so that was nice.
Yeah, good
I just
point.
had the windows open. Did a couple of water crossings, which was fun. It was a little scary with the battery, but I mean, it's all watertight, so.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, I also, maybe we should tell the audience that you had your first boo-boo out on the trail.
I don't know if we should tell the audience that. It
Did
seems
you?
a little unnecessary to tell the audience that.
Did you want to explain what was going on here?
Nothing. This looks perfectly normal. It's fine. It's totally fine.
Is this how it is from the factory? When
Yep. That's
it's
straight
cracked?
from the factory. It's not from a tree or a bunch of trees that I hit when I was backing up to let some people by on the trail. Definitely not that.
Well,
it has a backup camera, which I sort of used, but I was kind of looking in one mirror a little bit more than the other and got myself into some trees.
well, it happens. I did the same thing on the Lexus over there, so I can't be too hard on her. Plus, that's why we got this truck to go off-roading, because it doesn't matter.
That's right.
And you gotta learn somehow.
Somehow.
Awesome. Well, thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up button and
Like and subscribe.